Ay, mga tay.
Yan. Where are you? Camping site. Yay!
What do we have then?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
There. Ayan lang.
Here?
Yeah.
You touch it?
Yeah. How is it?
It's cold but dirty.
It's cold. Shala! Camping tayo? Ha? Baba. Laboy tayo. Where's ate? Unya.
Huh?
Where's ate?
In the bathroom. Mama, yun siya lang.
Again!
Do you hear me? But you cannot see me.
I can't hear you. You're here, right?
Yeah. Kuya! Because in the inside is a... What? What? Put your nose in the mirror. Okay.
You want mommy to go with you?
Why? Because it's so scary.
Ano ginagawa niya, ano ma?
Mama, can you go with me?
Oo.
Pangit pa
Puro ka sa lang.
Shelo. Shelo, dito. Shelo.
Oh, ayan. Punta kami sa river, sa dam.
Ganda ng camera mo, ma'am, puti ko.
Ma! Daddy!
Ang anak ko may lagnat. Mama, kay mama na lang sakit mo.
Maya go.
Sige na, punta ka na dun. No one brings snacks?
Dito ba yung daanan?
Natatakot na si Vito mamatay ng aso. Aray. Nagkaroon ka pa ng baby di ah. Yung description kasi nila eh.
Ba 5 minutes kasama picture.
Pero pag gabi wala ilaw, no? Ah, hindi. Hanggang 6 lang kasi ata din pwede maligo.
Kumabuli siya.
What the heck? Ito ko, explain ko lang.
Mama, there's a swing. Mama, go na there lang. Ma. Ma.
Wala pong makita ni ma'am.
Dito pwede kayo. Huwag ka na dyan. Dito na kayo sa bato. Princess! Hi! Careful!
Ito picture. Video.
How are you there? Smile! Ate, smile! Picture tayo. Smile! Kuya! Niya may sakit. Kuya naming may sakit. Shelo! Nyay, kirat. Kirat.
That was so lamig. Now to go there.
You had fun? You had fun?
Sleep there.
Yes. So tomorrow we can swim again.
All together.
But not me.
It's color brown. It will not be gone.
Hi. Take picture. 1, 2, 3. Nya. Nya.
Mama ko ibito. Mama, forgot my picture.
Hi.
Bawal subaho.
I don't know. That's a smoke. Okay, picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. Are you happy?
Yeah. Mommy, can you?
It's a surprise. It's a surprise vacation.
Yay! Thank you, Ma.
Welcome. Okay. Okay, sure.
This is so fun. But we can't even stand up. But Ma, we're not fit to the bed. Ma, but me. I need to stand up.
Mm. Let's take picture. Let's take picture. Let's take picture da. Oh, ate. 1, 2, 3. Naka-rain kanina. Boing, boing, boing.
I mean, we can even run like a trampoline, right? Yes.
Come on, let's go. Let's rinse up na. Let's take shower.
It's so much fun to play here in the net. Ma, after we ligo, can we...
Kaya anong gagawin mo? Anong gagawin mo? Egg sandwich? Wala tayong mayonnaise.
Daming oil. Mahawag ang video. Hindi mo makagalaw ng
Magtalon-talon. Dito muna tayo. Ang tawag dito di? Hamok. Ay, hindi. Hamok. Ito yan, di ba?
Mario, sit!
Trampoline.
Sit!
Nak!
Mario, sit!
Picture.
Trampoline din.
Ay, ang sarap mabuhay. Ang sarap.
Voice over ka na naman.
Parang kahapon lang nakaka-stress. Ngayon, ang sarap-sarap na mabuhay.
Look, I can lay down.
Mario, gonna put that in the vlog?
Don't
Yeah.
lay down.
Where's
bro.
sun, oh? Where's my
So, look.
sun B2?
There's no star.
I'm not there.
There's nothing in the sky, bro.
Para pwede sa YouTube. Sa YouTube lang nag-upload eh. Pang family ano natin. Portfolio. Ganda ng ano, kahit doon. Talagang nice.
Like burning the
Are you happy? Are you...
Yeah.
Ma, it was dirty.
Dirty? Dirty feet mo?
Mommy, wash it.
Okay, let's go. Heidi,
Hello.
ganda ng view.
Si kami sana.
Where is so many birds
Palupa
spinning?
na.
Nabili namin.
Let's see it.
Kagawad bongo.
Ma!
Si kami sa lupa.
Ma! Ma! Look, there is bird spinning.
What?
Look there, there's bird spinning.
Where's it? Bird? Saan?
There, do you see why?
Ang dami yung nag-spin sila.
Ah, sa langit.
Hindi, nakababa lang sila. Ikot-ikot sila.
Mommy, my slipper is already dirty.
Maiwawash na lang natin. May ano naman doon. O, post daw kayo. Picturean ko kayo.
But with my slipper.
1, 2, 3, smile. Kuya, di ka kita. 1, 2, 3, smile. Sayang si Kuya B1, may lagnat.